gi tarik 15 dweni. Joloch tuke mag volleyball e kindwa keini pinje mag Afrika higa mar 2022 KCB noloyo tim mar DCI sets 3-0 e tuke mag volleyball lig maduong' mane obagi alap Makasarani Stadium. Jobengi ma KCB noloyo kwach kich mag DCI sets mag 28-26, 25-17 gi 25-15 motelo ne tuke go mar adek gi tim mar Kenya Pipeline. Kocha mar KCB Jafeth Munala ni kod geno ni tim no biro kawo kombe mar Kenya kata odoko ni odiochieng' makiny gibiro rakore gi tim mosebedo ka chandogi kuom kinde malach.
But I'm happy that our receivers corrected their mistake, especially in the third set, and everything went well. But in the first set, we had a big problem in our reception a bit, and which gave us a challenge. But I thank God that we were able to correct it in good time, and we were able to do perfectly. When we were training for these playoffs, our target was to win all our 3 matches and take the title home, and that is still our target up to now. So far, we've won our 2 matches. We still have 1 more to go, and we know that tomorrow we are going to do our best as a team. We want to take this cup back to KCB because it has been long overdue for us.
So far, so good. 2 matches won. We only have 1 match against Kenya Pipeline, and we are hopeful that we have that hope that we are going to win the match against Kenya Pipeline and be the